Hi, my name is Miss Jennifer and I'm the principal here at Genius Academy. At Genius Academy, we have 4 pillars. The first pillar that we have at Genius Academy is academic achievement. What that means is that we set high expectations for students and we ensure that our students are excelling in the academic areas that we're teaching. Almost all of our classes are at least 1 to 2 grades above grade level as well. Our second pillar is character development. Besides just academics, we think it's really important to develop students to be great citizens, and that means developing skills like responsibility, independence, being a great moral student, and having positive values for them to navigate their life after school as well. Our third pillar is inspiration. In addition to just learning the academics and being a good moral character, we want students to be inspired to learn. What that means here is that we are trying to not only give students worksheets, but create projects and fun assignments so that students feel that learning is super fun. Our final pillar is quality service. At Genius Academy, we are dedicated to providing the best quality service that we can give to parents and to students, whether that means helping you to build a schedule that matches you and your time, whether that means being responsive or giving feedback on your students' progress. We want to make sure that Genius Academy is meeting your family's needs.
Hi, my name's Kitty, Director of Operations and the Head of Maths Department at Genius Academy.
I'm Miss Janice and I teach reading and writing here at Genius Academy.
I'm Miss Leanne. I teach math at Genius Academy.
I'm Miss Harriet and I teach reading, writing, and grammar at Genius Academy.
I am Miss Neha and I teach English reading in Genius Academy.
I'm Mr. Sebastian and I teach reading and writing at Genius Academy.
I'm Miss Kim. I teach at Genius Academy the 2nd and 3rd grade reading classes, and I also tutor writing.
Hi, 我是 Christine， 我是小天才的中文部主任。
I'm Mr. Kevin and I teach math, science, and innovation lab.
我是 Miss Sarah， 我在天才学园教中文。
I'm Miss Helena. I teach math at Genius Academy.
先 skip. Ready? 肩膀洗脚趾，洗脚趾，洗脚趾。肩膀洗脚趾，眼爱。